In this case, I'm going to pick out my givens. The radius of a cylinder is increasing at a constant rate of 6 inches per second, so dr dt equals plus 6. The volume is increasing, so that means dv dt equals 500 cubic inches per second. It'll be inches cubed per second. This was just inches per second. And then what do we want to know? What is the rate of change of the height? So we want to know dh dt equals question mark. And then they give us a base equation. V equals pi r squared h. So as normal, we'll start by taking the derivative with respect to time. So we'll have dv dt equals, well, this is a product. I'm going to call this first part P and the second part Q. So P prime will be 2 pi r dr dt times Q, which is h, plus the derivative of h is h prime, or dh dt, times pi r squared. And now I can start plugging things in. They gave me a dv dt of 500. That's equal to 2 pi. I wonder if they told me r. They didn't tell me r, but they did tell me the height of the cylinder is 6. So I can go back and use this equation. Volume was 450. So 450 equals pi times some radius that I'm going to solve for, squared, times a height of 6. So I'll divide by 6 and pi on both sides. Well, when I do, I get a radius squared of 283.87 ... I've saved this in my calculator, so I'm still exact. Now I'm going to take the square root of that number, and I get r equals 4.886 and change ... Well, now I'm going to store this as alpha a, so I still have my radius exact. Now I'll start plugging things in. This is my alpha a on my calculator for radius. dr dt is the thing I'm looking for, and h is 6. Plus dh dt, oh wait a minute, dh dt is the thing I'm looking for. So that means I must know dr dt. dr dt was given as 6 pi, and I found my r. That's saved on my calculator as alpha a, and I'll square it. Well, in order to solve the one thing that I've just highlighted, dh dt, the first thing I'll do is subtract. So I've got 500 minus 2 pi times a is the radius, times 6 times 6, I'll just say that's 36. And then I will divide by the pi and the a squared. All of this will give me my dh dt. So when I do this math, now I will round to my 3 decimal places. Everything else has been exact, so I have negative 8.069. H was measured in inches, so inches per second. This negative means the water level is decreasing, so my water level is going down in this cylinder.